1, 2, go. All right. This one is a wing sauce. Buffalo sauce. Which one I'm gonna use? I'll use buffalo sauce. I like spicy stuff.
This is mild, so it's not that much.
All right, let's go.
Oh.
You want buffalo sauce? You don't want the wing sauce?
Yeah.
You
Wait.
like spicy?
Yeah. Then why doesn't he put spicy in noodles?
Cause it's like whenever like drinking the broth, I get this like spicy thing.
You guys have finished it.
Yeah.
I just step aside now. You finish it all.
Because the fish is so good. I mean, I can't
Hey,
stop.
who put bone over here? It's in the sauce. I was gonna like.
Oh my goodness, the fish is finished. You guys have devoured the fish. Be careful. Move your hand. Then they come raise your hands up. You want to put it on my clothes? Put your hands up. You are a bad eater. Look at the way you're just putting everything on the floor. On your clothes.
I was just about to swallow.
If you're a
up.
true foodie, then you know how to eat the right way. You know what I mean.
Don't tell me that you want much.
I'm not.
Because you already drink yours, right?
Yeah.
What if I share with you? Will you drink?
No.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
From your mind?
Yeah.
From your heart?
Hey, go get that piece.
We all know he's lying. He's just trying to make it look innocent.
Not one.
What language is that? Magmula? What is that?
The fish is finished.
Hey, it's not my fault it's so good.
Hey, what's that?
Be careful with
I
the,
just discovered the back.
with the bone. Oh. Careful. The bone is very rough. All done.
This what happened?
So no like you fish like this.
So
So they will need the rush here this thing. You know soft chicken now, they couldn't get it. Hard chicken and the fish. The fish is done now.
Not done.
Before you eat bone. All done. Ngwa handle when you like give it clear. This is bone now. Clear road. All done. We are done. That was a good one. So tasty and yummy. It's okay now. Yes, go. Let's go. I never see anything like this before, eh? You want to eat bone? Be careful.
Well, no. We're just trying to get all our mini pieces. Don't waste food.